called off. She's going to be actually walking you guys through creating a brand new account, right? So let me go ahead and share my screen, right? Boom. Only the host can share their screen. Boom. Perfect. So now I can share my screen. Perfect. So I can come here to Pocket Option, right? PocketOption.com. So this is going to be the broker we're using, family. We're going to use PocketOption.com, right? Pocket Option. If I go back to the home page, right, I'm going to be able to log in or create an account if I come to registration, right? So if I come here to registration, I literally can make a brand new account. So I'm going to make a brand new one just to show y'all how it works. So boom. All right. I'm going to make up a password. Testing. Boom. Perfect. So I would literally create the account, right? So here's your account. Literally that fast, right, family? It's literally that fast. So you just put in your basic information. You're going to be able to have a live account already set, right? So how do I get the account funded, right? So if I click trading right here, where it says trading in the top left corner, if I click that right there, right, it's going to tell me I can switch from my live account to my demo. If I go to my real account, obviously it's not going to have anything in there, right? Ready to trade live, deposit now. So when I click that, deposit now, right? Deposit now. So let's say I wanted to deposit, what's the minimum deposit? Minimum deposit amount is $50. Okay. Come here to Bitcoin. Now, if any of you have Cash App, right? This is going to be very, 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 very easy for you. So if I have Cash App, right? Let me share my screen on Cash App, right? So boom, I have this screen ready on my Pocket Option, right, family? So now I'm going to be able to actually put in the amount, right? So I can just put in $50. Boom, $50. I'm doing the minimum amount, right? You don't want any of the bonuses. You do not want any of the bonuses. You don't want it. You don't want it. You don't want it. So don't use the bonus. The reason why is because when you use the bonus, it's going to actually make you have to trade your account up to a turnover rate, right? It's a turnover, right? So let's say if I did 100% bonus, so I put in 50, they give me $100. My turnover would be, I think, like five times what I put in. So before I could withdraw, it would have to be like what, 2,500. You know, they have certain rules, right? So I don't want to have to build my account up to a certain amount to actually withdraw. I want to be able to withdraw my money whenever I want to, right? So when they ask for a bonus, you're going to say, no, you do not want the bonus, right? So let me go ahead and switch gears, right? Switch gears. Let's go to Cash App, right, on my phone. Perfect, perfect. Perfect. So I'll come back here, right? Share my screen. I share my screen. Boom. Perfect. So I'm sharing my screen right now, right? So I'm gonna come here to Cash App. And when I come here to Cash App, everything is right here, right? So if you're brand new, if I come into Bitcoin, right? So I'm gonna come to this bottom left corner, right? I will click that. It's gonna see a button that says Bitcoin. You're gonna click that button, right? So now I can deposit or send Bitcoin, right? But if you're somebody who's brand new and you have never got your account verified, it's going to be a button that says enable on-chain transactions, right? You're going to be a button that says enable on-chain transactions. So as I'm doing that, I'm going to click enable on-chain transactions. I'm going to follow the instructions, send in my ID, all that good stuff. And once they get all my information that I need, as far as verifying it, it's going to take anywhere from 24 to 48 hours for them to respond to you, get you verified, all that good stuff. Once you're verified, this is what your screen is going to look like. You're going to see deposit Bitcoin. You're going to see withdraw Bitcoin, right? So if I come to this second to right button, right, on the bottom of the screen, it's second to right button, right? Boom. If I click that, I'm able to buy Bitcoin and I'm able to send it, right? So if I buy Bitcoin, right? So let me buy it. All right, let's buy 50 bucks, right? Or if I'm doing a $50 deposit, I want to do a little bit over $50. Why? Because it has a processing fee. So as you can see, boom. As you can see, it takes $1.18 off of my balance because it's a transferring fee, right? So I just press confirm, right? Boom, purchase. So now I have $50 in there. Now I can send this, right? Now when I send it, I'm literally going to copy and paste the wallet that Pocket Option gives me. So if I come back to the call, right? Let me come back to the call. And I'm doing this between my iPad and iPhone, so I do have to jump back and forth. But you guys can still follow me. So if I come here, boom. All right. iPad. So let me share my screen. Perfect. So if I come back here, right? $50, right? Is right there. So I'm going to click continue, right? Bottom left corner, continue. It's going to take me to the next screen. Now on this next screen, I will be prompted to actually make a deposit, right? So let me make sure all the lines are muted out. Okay, perfect. Everything is good to go. Okay, all right, perfect. So please note that according to current financial provider, boom, boom, minimum withdrawal amount via Bitcoin is 150. Okay, cool. So continue, right? So continue. So I had this $50 account, right? So now I can come here, literally come to copy address, right? If you're doing this on one device, you would just copy the address and you would paste it when you're sending it. Since I'm on two devices, I'm actually going to walk you guys through just doing it on two devices, right? So if I'm on one device, I will copy that address and I'm gonna show you exactly where you're gonna put it on Cash App, right? So luckily I have two devices. So now I can come here, boom. Perfect. Share my screen for you guys. Perfect. Let's come back to Cash App, boom. I'm going to click this paper airplane icon, right? I'm gonna click this paper airplane icon. So when I click that paper airplane icon, you should see send Bitcoin, right? I can send it. So wait, send it, boom. So now I'm literally going to be able to put in the amount and the very next screen is going to ask me, let's say 0011745 right? So that's my full $50. So if I click that, right, it's going to ask me for a wallet address, right? So I can actually send a wallet address. So I would just literally, if I'm on one device, I will copy that address. I will put it in that box. And then there's a button that comes up right here where you see people's names. It's going to say send to external wallet. You're going to click that, click next, and then you're going to send it off. But since I'm on two devices, I can literally come to this top left-hand corner where you see that box. Boom, it's going to ask me to scan a QR code, right? So I can come here, boom, pull up my website. Everything's right here. It literally just scanned it for me, right? Boom, there go the QR code. It scanned it for me. So now I got right in the amount, right? So 117, which is the full amount, right? 459. Boom, I can send it, family. I can send it, right? So confirm. Make sure everything is good. Okay, bam. So now it says that I have initiated a withdrawal, right? I have initiated a withdrawal. You're good to go, family. So you're gonna wait an hour to 2 hours for that money to post. But what I'm actually gonna do on that screen, I'm gonna actually show you. Let's go back. Let's go back, right? Let's press the home button. Boom. Okay, family. Now I really want you guys to watch what I'm doing, right? So Once I send off the Bitcoin, let's come to the camera. Boom. So you guys can see what I'm doing, right? So as you can see, I have everything right here, right? And I'm going to come literally right here where I can add a tab. I'm going to add one tab, and I'm going to leave that other tab alone. So I can go to Google, google.com, whatever you want to go to, but I'm still going to leave this tab open. As you can see, that tab is still open. I'm not going to close it or touch it until my money posts on my trading account. So what I would do is, if I just deposited that money, right? So I will wait an hour to 2 hours for that money to post, and family, we're good to go. So I'm literally going to leave that alone, right? So leave that page open. And it's literally that simple to create an account and to actually get a deposit. Now, does anybody have any questions on what I just went over?
I'm good over here, bro.
Perfect. Anybody else? Any questions?
Yo, bro. When the next training, bro? I got somebody else. I need that. They got to get trained.
Okay, perfect. Trained on what?
The whole thing. She just missed the whole live
This call?
Yeah. When the next one?
Okay, this call is recorded, so I'll actually drop the recording for you guys.
Appreciate it, bro.
But she may have to wait until later on tonight because I'm actually gonna have to post it on YouTube, and that may take a while. So yeah, definitely just be patient on that, and I'm gonna send the recording for you. All right, and you're just literally going to send the recording to her so you can watch exactly what we just went through, and she'll be able to do the exact same thing. Simple enough.
Yes, sir. And don't forget to drop.
Okay.
Don't forget.
I got you, man. I got you. Does anybody have any other questions? Anybody have any other questions? Perfect.